They wanted the Avenger to sound, at least in the beginning where he's trying to figure it out, like a bucking bronco. This is a beast he's trying to tame. It's just kind of wailing and making these horrific sounds as it's bouncing up and down. It's not wanting to be flown by this amateur. There's some comedy in all of this too, so you can't let that go. You know, like when he's trying to fire the button and the trigger's just kind of clicking and he won't go. Finding the moments where you can kind of have a little bit of levity in between.